Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is report. So report in Access, report is a very important thing because with the help of reports you can get the information after creating queries or tables. Okay, report means what? Report is the last means view we can say. Okay. So now see what is actually report. Reports are a great way to organize and present data from our Access database. Okay. Okay, you can see in the book what is say in the book. Reports are an effective way to present your data in a printed form. This enables others to understand the data and facilitate decision making. Okay, you can control the size and appearance of everything on a report. Means what? Reports are an effective way to present your data in a printed form. Means what? With the help of reports, we can print the information from the database. So it is the easiest way. Okay. After doing all the things like creating tables, after that creating queries, and the last thing is what? We want the report, means the printed information. For example, say like I want all the information of class 9 2018 to 19 batch. Okay, so that's why what happened, we go to the Access database and means what? For example, if I want the information from 2018 to 19, means what? In our Pragjyotika, select in our Pragjyotika 2018 to 19 batch of class 9, I want all the information. It means what? I want this report. Okay. So first thing what happened? We have to give the request to the database, Access database, and after that the database search the information from the database, and after that the server will send the information as a report. Okay. So report means what? Report is a printed way to present the information. Or you can say this enables others to understand the data and facilitate decision making. Okay. Means what? Report means what? It will give an easiest way to represent information. So it means what? It is a user friendly. User can easily understand the reports. Okay. For example, say this is your database. This is your database server. Okay, this is the what? Server. Okay, now Access server. Access server. Okay, now this is the client. Okay, this is the client. Okay, now the client wants the information. Means what? They first what? They give the request to the server that I want the information 2018 to 19 batch. The information. Okay. So batch of class 9. Okay. So what happened? When you give the request to the server what happened? Server search the information. Search the information, and after getting the result, after getting the search information, they will give a response to the client. Okay, the response to the client. Response means what? They will give the reports. See, like this is a report. This is like a report. Say roll number, name, and marks. Okay, this is the report 2018-19 batch. Okay, online information. Okay, so next one, it is a what? It is a user friendly. Any user can easily understand. Okay, so that's why in the book you can see here, this enables others to understand the data and facilitate decision making. So facilitate decision making. This sounds good. The other it is what? It is what? The user can easily understand. Easily understand these things report because it is the easiest way to represent data from the server. Okay, and also you can see in the book and facilitate decision making. You can also facilitate decision making. You can decide or you can decide decision making. Decision making means what? For example, this is the information of 2019, 18-19 batch. Okay, the name is ABCD and marks 380, 3656, 410, 390 and 372. Okay, so you can see in this report there are others also in this report, but I am just giving an example. It's only 5 records. Okay, now in this report you can see that the average marks is say like the average mark say like 390. Okay, 390 is the average mark getting each student in 2018 and 19 batch. Okay, so I can decide, I can make decision with the help of this report that only 390 marks average mark each student get. Okay, so with the help of this report we can make decisions say like in the next year we make some changes. Okay, we can make some changes. For example, in computer science, some students get less mark. So that's why I can give some extra effort to that particular students. Okay, so those students who get less marks, I can understand that these students or this boy or this girl get less mark. So that's why I need to give extra effort to those students who get less marks. With the help of these reports, means what these reports give us, this information gives an idea that this say like 356, these boys, say like name B, roll number 2, he got less marks. Okay, so this boy I have to give some extra effort so that he can get more marks. He can get more marks in the next year. Okay, so that with the help of reports we can make some decisions. Okay, so that's why, for example, say in not a marks table, for example, say as sales tables. For example, so in this way we can take the decisions. So these students get less marks, so that we have to give some extra effort to these students, so that these students in the next year will get more marks. Okay, so with the help of this report we can make some decisions. Okay, so that's why reports are so important. Okay, for example, next example I can say sales information, sales table or sales report. This is a sales report. Sales sales ID, seller name and amount. 30,000, 25,000, 29,000, 50,000 and 1 lakhs. So this is sales report. Okay, the sales report. So is this sales report given information that this sales ID 1, that is the seller name is A, he sell only 25,000. He sell only 25,000 of amount. So that's why in the next year or upcoming year, this seller we have to give some extra effort so that this seller will go higher and higher. This seller also sells more than present sales. Okay, so in this way we can get a report and get information from the reports. So from that reports we can make some decisions. In the next year, this type of information I can generate. That's like this one. Okay, these guys are not doing well, so I have to give some extra effort, or we can say, we can also change the seller also. So in this way, a report can give a information. This information is very good or very important, because with the help of this information we can create decisions, okay, for the upcoming years. Okay, so this is called a report. So you can say here, after giving the request, the server will give a response. The response means what? The report, all the reports. Okay. Now, in the book you can see, you can control the size and appearance of everything on a report. Means what? You can change the appearance of the report. This is a report. So this is a report of sales report 2019. Okay. You can change the appearance of the report. So like I want to change the text color or text type. Okay. I want to change the background of the report. Easily change with the help of a report. Okay, so report means what? You can change the appearance and the size, everything you want, everything in one in the report. Now there are two ways. We can create a report. Number one is report design. Number one is report design, and number two is report widget. So we can create a report with the help of two ways. First one is report design, and the second one is report widget. Okay. So now first, now see, the first I had the steps are creating a report in design view. Okay, this is the first steps, or first these are the steps first. Now let's see how to create a report in design view. Create a report in design view. Create a report in design view. Okay. Now you can see first steps. You can see here on the create tab, under the report group, select report design. Okay. Now see, there is a create tab. There is a create tab. There is a what? Create tab. In a create tab, there is a what? Report group. Report group, and the report group you have to select what? A report design. Report design. First, we have to go to the create tab. After that, go to the report group, and after that, you have to select the report design. in the design, you can see in design tools, designs, arrange, format and page setup. Means what? In the report design tool, there are many things: design, arrange, the format and page setup. Everything you can do with the help of this report design tool. Okay. Next thing is click the design tab in the tool groups and click add existing fields. Okay. Means what? If you have already created reports, this means what? This is already created. So you want to what? You want to means what? You want to create a report in an existing field. Okay, the table in the navigation pane will appear on the right side of the window. There is a navigation pane that will be what? It will be appear in the right side of the report or right side of the window. Yes. Okay. Now double click the table whose field you want to add the report. The field available in the current report source. Okay, will display the report list pane. Okay. Now there is a report list pane. Report list pane. After clicking, after means what? Double click on the those field you want to add the report. Means after selecting the report, there is a one. There is a report pane. Report, not report, navigation pane. Navigation pane. There is a navigation pane where you navigate the report. Okay. Next is double click the table whose field where you want to report. Okay. Field list pane. Okay. So these are steps you can easily understand, and after that you just go through the steps. It is very easy. Just you go through the steps, you will easily create a report. Okay. Now you can see in the page number 222, report header. Report header means what? It appears at the top of the report and contains the title of the report. Means what? Say example, this is a what? Student report. Okay, so this is the student report. It means what? It is the report header. Report header. It is report header. This is where it is on the top of the window. Okay. Now next thing is page header. This section appears at the beginning of each page and contain the heading of the field. Page header. There is a page header. Page header means what? In this page there is a page header. If this is a report, this is the page header. You can write anything. Say student report. Select 2019 and 20. Okay, so this is called a page header. After that, details. This section contains the records. This is the details. Means what? All the things, all the informations. All the information. This is the what? This is the details. Okay, this is called details. Now next thing is page footer. Page footer means what? Page footer means there is a footer you can give. Page footer. You can give page footer here. It gives the page number. It gives the page number. Page number means what? If the report is not if the report is a big report, it contains say like 10 pages of reports. Means what? At time what happened? Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 10. So it will give the page number. Say this page number 1. Okay. Next is report footer. It appears at the end of each report and gets printed only at the end of the entire report. Means what? there is a page report footer. So means what? Report footer is also a what? Information report footer. Say like I can give a message. Say like class 9 2019-20 batch. Okay, this is what? This is a report. This is a what? This is a report footer. It is on the. It is at the end of the page. It appears at the end of its report and gets printed. It is also printed. Okay, at the end of the entire report. So this is what? This is a report. It is so important. Report is so important because report gives the details of the idea of informations. Informations is basically report given entire details that what is these things actually. Okay, for example, I want the reports that 2019-20 batch information. So means what? These reports give an idea of the information. So next thing is again report wizard. Next number 2 is number 2 report wizard. So report wizard is the another way we can create a report. Okay, now see, in report wizard there is again a steps is given here. So just you go through the steps. It is very easy. Just click the report wizard. In the report view of the create tab, after that the report wizard dialog box will appear. Okay, there is a report dialog box will appear. You can see in the book all the information is given here. Okay, now you can see after that what happened. The next screen is report wizard appears. Okay, after getting the report wizard dialog box, you have to select the grouping level. If you want to group your data within the report and then click next. Means what? Grouping means what? You have to group each record or each information. Okay, if you want to group your data within the report and click next. Means what? After getting the report, means after getting the report wizard dialog box, there is the option grouping each data. Then you can group each data and after that click next button. The third screen of the wizard appears. You can choose to sort the data up to 4 fields. Okay, you can now sort your data. Sort means what? Arrange your data. Okay, now see 11.57. You can see here 11.57. This is the what? This is the third screen report wizard dialog box. Okay, this is the third screen. You can arrange or you can sort the fields. Okay. It shows data on one field. Total marks by default. Sorting is ascending order. You can click the ascending button to change the sorting to the descending order. Okay. You can change the orders, means ascending or descending. If it is by default ascending, you can change it to descending order also. Okay. So in this way you can create a report with the help of 2 ways: report design and report wizard. It's very important. In your exams it may become there what is report and what are 2 ways you can create a report. Okay, so report means what? The report is the what? Printed information of what? Printed information of your documents or your information. Reports are an effective way to present your data in a printed information. If you write these things, or it is a very easy way to get the results. It enables others to understand the data and also makes decisions for future. So this is called a report, or you can say report is so important. Okay, last one thing you can see, printing a report. Last thing, sorry, wait sometimes. Printing a report. Last thing is printing a report. After getting the reports, I have to what? I have to print it. Print means what? Print the document so that I can visible. So that the reports can be visible. Hard copy. Okay, not soft copy, hard copy. Printing a report. Printing a report. The last thing we have to do is after getting all the information from the server, we have to print the report. Okay, print the report so that we can what? We can save it to our files. Here you can see after getting the reports, click the print preview button on the status bar. The print preview dialog box will appear. After that, the print preview tab appears as shown in the figure. After that, what happen? Click the print button to print the group, to take a printout of the report. Means what? We can print the reports after getting the results. Okay. There are two ways. Also, you can print the report directly. Select the print option on the file menu. Okay, and then go to print button. The print dialog box will appear and select the option and click OK. Okay. It is also important in your exam. Maybe it may sometimes come how to print a report. Write the steps. So if you write the steps, it's so important. So printing a report means what? After creating a report or after getting the information, you have to print it. Okay, so that we can easily understand and easily visible the report. Okay, so this is the report. It's very easy and it's very important. Okay, so again I repeat these things every video. I repeat these things. So please you understand. Please, I request you to every students in class 9 computer science, please come to the doubt clearing session. It's so important to you. Okay, because only few students present. I always say only few students, 10 to 14 on maximum 15. Okay, so see this doubt clearing session only for you, only for your purpose, because after watching this video you have something query in your mind. So this query will be cleared where? In doubt clearing session. So that's why doubt clearing session is so important. So please come and present in the doubt clearing sessions. I am requesting everybody. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem, please do comment and please come in our doubt clearing sessions. Okay, thank you everybody. Again I say, stay at home and be safe. Thank you everybody. Have a great day.